Whose woods these are? I think I know. His house in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both and be one traveler. Long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth, then took the other, just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for the passing there, had worn them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Think you're beaten, you are. If you think you dare not, don't. If you like to win, but think you can't, it's almost a cinch that you won't. If you think you'll lose, you're lost. For out in this world, we find success begins with a fellow's will. It's all in the state of mind. Life's battles don't always go to the stronger, faster man. But sooner or later, the man who wins is the one who thinks he can. Let the universe be your blanket, and let the earth be the comfort beneath your feet, and let the Lord be the light that comforts you as you sleep. Fear not as you travel through this world, for all is yours to keep. Mind not what you know, but only what you think. Speak not of your troubles, but hold dear with your blessings. For you are one with He who creates, and you are one with He who loves. Go forth and breathe, and feel the light, because all that there is all that there ever was, and you are the thing that you know you are. This is given to you, for you, and by you, in the light of the Lord.